Oh yeah, Opendoor stock is fueling up from renewed speculative enthusiasm and endorsements from high-profile investors. Crypto investor Anthony Pompliano publicly revealed he had taken a large position in the stock, contributing to a 31.5% increase in August. The shift to an agent-led model has boosted listing conversions fivefold and doubled customer engagement compared to its traditional process. This model, rolled out in the second quarter of 2025, emphasizes agent collaboration, improved tools, and training. Opendoor has also launched new initiatives, including the Key Agent iOS app for better home assessments and Cash Plus, a hybrid product offering instant cash options and profit potential. Both initiatives aim to diversify revenue, reduce capital intensity, and enhance margin stability. However, despite these positive developments, investors should remain cautious due to the company's struggles with revenue declines and profitability. The stock's recent surge is largely driven by meme stock dynamics rather than underlying fundamentals. Longtime bullish backer Eric Jackson's announcement of his intent to join Opendoor's board and push out CEO Carrie Wheeler has further intensified attention and speculation. Throughout 2025, Opendoor's performance has been defined by explosive, sentiment-driven rallies, followed by sharp corrections, reinforcing the notion that its stock remains extremely speculative. Pompliano's investment in Opendoor shares injects credibility and visibility into the narrative, and his endorsement could amplify retail interest and validate the company's tech-driven real estate model. However, Pompliano also cautioned that Opendoor is going to be volatile and, quote, may not work out for investors, advising followers to conduct their own research, something which, you should totally do. As the company continues to navigate the challenges of the real estate market, investors will be closely watching its progress and potential for long-term growth. Despite the positive developments, Opendoor's second quarter results were met with a negative market reaction due to concerns about the sustainability of recent gains. Management attributed the quarter's performance to its strategic pivot from a single product model to a distributed platform, now delivering multiple offerings through agents. CEO Carrie Wheeler emphasized the effectiveness of this new approach, stating that pairing sellers with agents early in the selling process led to significant improvements in customer conversion rates. Analysts have raised questions about the stability of macro conditions, the performance of the distributed platform, and the impact of market volatility on pricing. Wheeler and CFO Salim Freha have provided insights into the company's progress, highlighting the strength of existing agent relationships and ongoing marketing efforts to boost adoption of the expanded product suite. Moving ahead, Opendoor's management expects momentum to continue, shaped by further investments in product innovation, international expansion, and AI-driven search capabilities. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.